idea here fi say wonim china asem ene na enkoyie ochina I believe say nyame pa ene ma be kama all right yeah course scoreboard ne so na enye izo ene ampa ye bedwa enchechemu hene no onya egina dwa say a onya gina screen anim a na che say enye easy kra ne ode ye bewram abribia obetene nka na oye analysis was sports shows but ne ya to yensa friend say omeye ye resource person entertainment show so na onche ye twaka ben na music any football basketball any other games ka ho no link ben no mo na efri da ben na saade ne hyase na kwan ben so no mo ye no nsunsuanso ben na atimi anya football nimu anase other games ni nsunsuanso ben na atimi anya enti yebeko scoreboard no so na ode ya fam baako na ne I believe say answer na ebepon show no na de wunim no wahu no all right so Michael sorry Bodu memo akwaba
Mr. Michael Donko
wow
me da say ka kan kasenka minim say say me share bling bling ne
oh yeah won say ye hide there minim say
oh say kan me share as my dear
nanka
na my pair chains ni be go na me the channels for
na afeti show no yeah
but right. It's good to be on the show.
Okay.
It's good to be on the show.
All right. So Michael, sorry, what do for you? My your break akra na ene bie ya adwene mu because also share from World Cup bie atwetwe mu a ya wonyom clubs ahodo wo monyom players ni kobobo a obi a headset sheniti ena wo hwe mu a obi ti sa Samuel Jan o free music mu no football mu no or cyber music
even
owo mu kra na oni Castro good wo hwe obi ti say Kelvin Prince Boateng wa drop hip hop bipen any other
Memphis the Pie
and the person me hu eyakwa say obi a obobo ana obi a oye into sports bia no assign him enyum to like link banner ewo
okay me that say and mechia etie for ni ahwefo so
okay
fees enyum to no ya de kan ho since time memorial before say oba de no crab about eye wiase ni na ya ba betinemu no
okay
yeah it is captured in the Bible said there are times where exaltation near the akoso as a Yahweh Yankopon and then why David was a man of God's heart no born senko until born senko na it mean a control ahon intina Saul now money no David in senko need to make calming it down no idea so music is a part of us and any party your activities are how do I so in almost every aspect of our daily activities and I say every aspect of our life and yom to account entina obaha your winsome account for abrofono or more folk tales no more the way the rem uko India wa when your mo ye in kakra na ashkalaba na be na hin no more their films are enti music here a part of us because music has a soul. As beings, living beings.
Music has a soul.
Yeah, that is why music never dies.
Soul.
Yeah.
Music in soul.
Yeah, a soul never dies.
Okay.
And that is how come music never dies. Inti meba na wo born na mpedi nyumbi.
Yeah.
Good. Enyum ne di how many years?
Ama na a whole story big right. Enyum na chepa.
Yeah. It is a perfect fusion of a love song and a death song. E year senyum many odonyum.
Ena yeah.
Obi ne yere no mu tu kwan.
Okay.
Na kwentu oni mu no. Na omunya akwenchia na unfortunately oba na hwe ne nkwa now to play tia na nam peduska so onye a tribute song emfama ne dofo no onye friend mother no akwentifu ya our mother so that is how it is but to end the discussion ayeba be what's the relationship between music and then sport medin kan say music a part of us sport
and essentially a soul
exactly
so it never dies
good now nipa enedi agudi. So you have several souls combining to play a sport. It moves with motion, passion, anyway. Now, music society, there were similarities, but you're jumping straight to when music started becoming a theme of sporting events.
Okay.
The first time.
Enyum to and I say enyum sha say
a part of say a sports competition.
Activity, na music na be part of it. Okay.
The first recorded time you see a nyom was sports activity mu ana competition mu was in 1896.
1896.
Yes, the first Olympic Games.
Okay.
Now ebane saying now Oma capture say in the Hellenic era before say Greece be Greece no.
Yeah.
Near from Hellenia.
Hellenia.
Yes.
Okay.
So Hellenia in the Hellenic era no games are no more no.
Yeah.
Part of the games had certain chants. Chants near say yes shijama.
Okay.
Good morale.
Yeah.
Friend no.
Okay.
Then there were songs also sung for the heroes or we imagine here from the games.
Nice. Omo bomb homodin, omo ji omodin to say Messi. And nay Osimhen mono.
Okay. Enti for near from fine bro for never does.
Oh yeah, say a bass and so me.
Enti a ban say you constituted the International Olympic Committee IOC no.
Okay.
They needed to organize almost first Olympic Games and this was in 1896. And as part of the event, see they used 150 choristers, 9 music bands. Say they commission the opening of the Olympic Games.
Olympic Games
and the choristers back 150 and 9 musical bands. And we use you. Now saying evolve about the stage say ye be opening ceremony. Ni amado do na kita omo mind flag. Frank no. No more the Travel Stadium near Bonyum and where they count. And there's some musical performances. But it started in 1896 with just the choristers singing the Olympic tune. And then the Diaba bedroom pempensi. So this was the first ever recorded musical themed sporting event or activity. Now music is universal and a food for the soul. A fidie enti saura ho anyom etumi ma omu de sesa. Say when you are enyum to me Kenya. Say wabuto a enyum to me pejao. So irrespective of mood, depending on the kind of song you are listening to, unye bi ewu, webusu ni bi ewu, odofu bi ewu a eye enyum ne ma usun. Ebi ana enka oye, but enyum no twe wa adwen si bibi so na nisuo no eto aso eba. So it feeds your soul. But the particular genre and the type of music and it determine how your soul reacts to the food. Eduani people wa how dia obefe. Eduani people wa how dia obeme. Ebiso wa how dia be share so. Enyom to no saa na eno so atie. Now sports as a vehicle no aboa say e de nyom to no e pagya ne ho de afim pempen so obi e wa akodu pempen so foforo. Because first nyom to no na enye sika sem te say nde de. Now sports no so first na enye sika sem te say nde de. So the two have become a married partners. Omo nyina e pushi omo ho sanye be ya sika kakra e be free enyum to mu aba no sports ni so benya bi following na be free mu aba no we so benya bi intendo na bi aba be do pempen so we now this is it. Yes sir, here with football. Football no your competition organizers, your clubs, your national teams, your fan bases, your individual players. Omo nyina na use music at various stages in omo career no. And then artists nanka so mobonyum no so to achieve a set agenda one way or the other. Until flip kwa, you see this. The UEFA Champions League. Say nyabo Champions League nyum na nyo bi na be catch or say your Champions League time. For the benefit of omo mute or moye green, omo ye uninitiated into football. What they about Champions League team no fama me. All
right, enti me be drop it Champions League team no. Ba ene enjeje ye kwosui. Se wan join here on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 and I say Sompa TV. And I impo YouTube na wan behwe bia wa kache because na ye sua de entertainment but ye san sua de aka ho. Obetimi so ahwe live e wo Sompa TV. Ma me drop Champions League team no na ye nti ade.
your French woman.
Yeah.
And to do it, was it the master?
Yeah.
And yet the master not the master,
master.
a Dutch casa. The grande keep near French. You get it?
Yeah.
The champions.